Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I am your tutor Sumant P. Today we are going to learn icse Mathematics Class 9 Compound Interest using Formula Method. Exercise 3b in the 10th question. Mohit borrowed a certain sum at 5% per annum compound interest and cleared loan by paying rupees 12,600 at the end of the first year and rupees 17,640 at the end of the second year. Find the sum borrowed. This is the question what they have given actually, and also they have given here some clue for you how to solve this problem. So according to the question here, it is clear Mohit borrowed a certain amount, sum for 5% for the compound interest. So obviously it is compound interest, not the simple interest. And most importantly here, see that he is paying that money, that is the interest along with the principal amount and total amount. He is paying the total amount in two parts. One is 12,600 and one more is 7,640. So here one thing you remember, what you have paid at the first year, what he is paying at the first year, that 12,600 rupees, this is containing the interest, not only interest, also it is containing the some principal amount, not the total principal amount. For example, if he is taking 30,000 rupees as the principal amount, in this he is paying the 12,600. It is 12,600 is not only the principal amount, it is also containing the interest. Means in 30,000 some interest he is paying and rest everything is the principal amount. Maybe it is 12,000 is the principal amount and 600 may be the interest. So in 30,000, 12,000 is the, if you will take the principal amount, it will remain 18,000. For example, I am saying, so 18,000 what he is going to have, that for that again there will be a compound interest for the second year. But obviously remember here he is paying only 12,000 rupees, that is 600 rupees as the interest. For example, I am taking 12,000, maybe okay, it considers 11,000 as the principal amount and 1,600 as the, okay, 11,000 as the principal amount and 1,600 as the interest. So in 11,000 if you remove, that is 17,000 will remain. So this is 11,000, the interest is 1,600, but that 17,000 is paying at the second year, means there must be, this 17,000 must contain the 2-year interest. Okay, because he is keeping that money for the 2 years, so there will be a component for the 2 years. So I think you understood that amount will become the 17,640. Means we have to find the components for 17,000 for two times. One example I have taken, I don't know whether it is a 30,000 only the principal amount you have taken or what. Okay, it may be lesser or it may be more. So I have taken a small example. So that second year what he is paying the 17,640, it contain the some part of the principal amount, and one more important thing is it is the interest for the 2 years, that 17,400, 17,640 what he is going to pay. That is only the hint they have given here. So the last we have to add that both the principal amount. So here that is only thing, 12,600, the 12,600 amount, rate of interest should be 5% for 1 year because he is paying after the 1 year. But 7,640 rupees what he have, he will pay for after 2 years. So the rate compound interest we have to calculate for the 2 years. Okay, rate of interest will be the same. So first we will go through the question and we will write what we have to find. Here they have told you to find the how much sum is borrowed. So how much rupees you have taken. So for to find that, the sum of money borrowed. Okay, this is very important, that I will take the P, and that P will be found by P1 plus P2. I am taking a P1 as the principal amount for the first year, and the P2 will be the principal amount for the 2 years, first and second year, because he is paying the 7,640. No? So here we will have the two parts. So let us calculate. Again I will do two parts. So I have to write down first one for the first year. Okay, for first year I'm writing for first year. Second one I'm writing for Okay, don't write it first year, it is first year only. 1 year, 1 year. So next one I will write on for 2 years. Okay, so he is making the two parts here, so we will also do the two parts. The amount being here 12,600, the rate of interest being here 5%, and n will become the 1, but here it will remain little bit change. The amount he paid after the 2 years, second year is paid 17,640, and here he have already have rate of interest is 5% only, but that is for the 2 years, so n value will become 2. So we have to find the p1 from here and p2 from the second year. Let us find and let us add both, then we will get the sum of money borrowed. So first one, here how to find this, the component formula we have to move, but component formula actually no need, directly the formula we will apply. A is equals to p into 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to n. Here also the same formula, A is equals to principal amount plus r divided by 100 raised to n. But here one say small change I will do. Here I will take a1 and p1. Here I will take a2, p2. Okay, so p2 is the principal amount for the 2 years, and p1 will become the principal amount for the 1 year. Calculate it and you will get the final answer. So how to calculate, the substitute the formula. A value is 12,600, p value don't know, so p1 write on as it is, 1 as it is, r value is 5 divided by 100 raised to 1 only, p1 into, here obviously 5 ones are 5 20s are, LCM will be 20, direct I will write 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1 raised to 1 we have, no need to write it down. 21 divided by 20 into p we are going to get, and here we have 12,600, and again we have to calculate, so I will take a step bit down. So here the 20 what we have here, that I will shift to the left hand side, so 12,600 into 20, and this 21 I will bring to the down, so it will become divided by 21, that is equals to the principal amount first. So calculation part, if it is possible you can divide it. I think it is 21 the table, if you know, you can know that 21 ones are, and 21 how much 126 is 6. Okay, so you can calculate it and you can find it will be 6. So 26 120, so 6 extra is correct. 6 into 120 is, sir, 6 into 20 is, and 2 zeros we have here, so 600 into 20 we have, so it will become the 12,000, that will become the principal amount for the first year. So first year principal amount, that is 1 year principal amount, will become 12,000. So similarly we have to find the second year, similar type. Here it will be 17,640 into principal amount we don't know, so 1 plus, don't think that p2 is 12,000 only, no, p2 is not 12,000, it will be different. We have to add that p1 and p2 to get the final answer, and here rate of interest is again 5%. The calculation everything is similar here, but here we have 2 years and value, so square. So p2 into, it will similar, 5 ones are 5 20, the similar what you have done here, so it will become 20 plus 1, LCM will be 20, so directly 21 by 20 I will write it down. Obviously 20 is LCM, 20 into 1 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So 17,640 into p2, and 21 square is, okay, one thing I will tell you here, small thing you have to remember, if you have 21 divided by 20, don't multiply now only, bring that 21 by 20 on the other side. So here we have 17,640, what will happen, it will reciprocal, so because it will be make one step less for you, so directly I will write it down, 17,640 into 20 will go up and 21 come down, and the square will remain as it is, that is equals to p2. So here I will write down 17,640, 20 square we have is nothing but 20 into 20, or directly you can write down 400 divided by below we have 21 square. See this square what we have now, that we have to take for 20 also and 21 also. So here we have 21 into 21. I am writing here 21 into 21. So why I am writing this 21 into 21? That is most important for us. So why I'm writing is for calculation it will be easier for us to calculate. Okay. So next part is using the 21 whether it is possible to divide or what. That's 17,640. Just we have to go through it. So here it will remain P2, no? So we will write on P2. So now let us see that 21 ones are 21, 21 eights are how much? 21 8 the 168. So 8 will remain, 84 it is. So 84 we have 21 ones are 21 ones are 21 fours are 84 and 0 we are going to. So 840 into 400 divided by 21 again we have, again it is possible. 21 ones are 21 how much are fours are, okay, and 0 we have 0. So 40 into 400 we are going to get, that we will multiply, that is our P2. So 40 into 400 is 4 for the 16 and 3 zeros. So 16,000 will become the principal amount for the 2 years. So this is the, we got the principal amount of the first year, principal amount of the second year. So let us add them to. So we can find that Mohit borrowed that is Mohit borrowed amount is equals to, that is P we have taken a principal amount, that is nothing but P1 plus P2. We will add together. So P1 is here 12,000 and this is 16,000 second year, that is 16,000. If we will add together it will become 28,000. So rupees 28,000 is the amount borrowed by the Mohit. Okay, so I have written reverse way. Mohit borrowed amount P is equal to, but amount borrowed by Mohit is equals to, that is 28,000 rupees. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this. So if you have a doubt you can write in the comment section. So like, subscribe and share my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.